Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call.
How's it going, guys? How's it going, everybody? Welcome. StockTiger coming here tonight. We start in about a few minutes, everybody. Thank you.
Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth.
Great to see you guys back again. The Gillis, Baited Castaway, Enjika, Rules Crypto, Kuri, Elajola, 41.95. What is going? Justin right in the house too. ¿Cómo estás, everybody? Welcome. Great to see you guys back. Globex ASIA. All right, fellow traders, how's it going? How's it going, everybody? Ew. Welcome, guys. What a day. What a day, StockTiger. I thought I was kind of protected today. Unfortunately, that was really not the case. We found a way to... hold on one second, guys. I think there is a bit of a confusion with my stream here today. Somebody was telling me that I've got two streams open at the moment. All right, no. Trying to trade that last hour. I mean, I don't even know how to explain, but I was up quite a lot in one of my pro accounts, and I ended up, I don't know, whatever DT came out and said, whatever it may be, that account is no longer with us. So I don't know, man. That was a pretty substantial move in the market towards the end of the day. Definitely. All right, what do you mean? What sort of a poll you want to do? How's it going? Did you recover? Did you recover the loss last? Alex, Helen, did you recover the loss of last night? I don't know what loss. I don't even remember what I did last night. We are here 24 hours later, and I've streamed two. I had two live streams before, right after the Globex stream last night. I did a late night, and I did a New York session this morning as well. So I don't exactly remember what I did last night, but Iran peace call talk canceled. Today's price action was very trappy. It was, yeah. I mean, everything was all right until the last minute, guys. Until the last minute. And what was that again? It was like pretty close towards the end of the day. Incredible. Got really annoyed. I mean, I don't know. We've been saying annoyed for, I don't know for how many days now. I think it's about time we try to do well. And no excuses. So I lost towards the end of the day today. I lost two pro accounts. Where's that again? I lost two pro accounts. So we only have one now. But I lost pro accounts towards the end of the day, and then I got pissed, and then I ended up trading my last pro that I had, and I made $4,000, and somehow we are going to be requesting a payout today. I don't feel as great, to be honest, but $6,300 minus $4,500, that's $1,700 minus 20%. That is their share, right? So all right, so that's $1,400. So $1,400 net for StockTiger. That's the daily payout that I'm getting today. So I'm getting net $1,400 here tonight, which is great. Even though I lost two pro accounts towards the end of the day, and I lost. I don't want to give any excuses, but you know what? Honestly, it was frustrating. I mean, you don't normally get this sort of a price action. You don't normally get this sort of a price action. Somebody's playing real dirty, eh? Wow. This is how many points, guys? This is literally about 230 points. That's a 230 points dump in about that really didn't take a lot. It was literally about 7 minutes, 78 minutes, I think. So 78 minutes, we ended up pulling back 230 points. Great. And then we ended up getting how many points pump again? 200 points pump. It almost kind of feels like somebody is just manipulating just to take everybody out of the system, and it's like, you know, they go back in again. It's so dirty, guys. I mean, it's hard to explain, but I mean, it is dirty. Anyways, as much as it's dirty, I think maybe it's time we take advantage of that too, right? Because of that volatility. So I lost 2 pro accounts today, and but I also got into a daily payout today. So I'll take it. That's $1,400 of daily payout today, and that is net. So I'll take it, and then we'll see if we can actually. I did pretty well on my Lucid as well, guys. Lucid looking pretty good. It almost kind of feels like I'm getting pretty close to a solid account with the Lucid. So I'm gonna have to work on my Tradify here coming into today, and see if I can actually make something going. Totally rigged, and you aren't allowed to make money some days, it seems. What are you talking about? Got 4 new pro accounts, blew 3 of them, and the 4th made 7,000. I think that's green Trump red. I think that's an absolute win. Yes, it kind of feels weird in a sense. You've lost the 4 accounts. Honestly speaking, I know that feeling, but you know what? The 7 grand that you made, you're able to take about $3,500, right? So I think that's a big fat win. Take that profit tonight. I mean, your payout tonight, and yeah, have fun, enjoy the day, and just completely forget about the blown 150k accounts, which obviously does matter a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. You've made the profits that you need to cover all your expenses, plus that's a bonus. Good job, Mr. Green Trump Red. They're all crew. Mr. JT, Samuel Price 8564. What is going on? Zero cool in the house, man. It's been a long time, bro. Minimum days to pass, 5 days. Zero cool, it's 5 days, guys. The market is open. Didn't really realize the market is even open right now, but anyways, it is open according to the market. So pretty wild, guys, pretty wild. All right, so I'm going to be looking for, I think it's just going to be a channel range, to be honest. I mean, every day it's been the same. We have not really expected too much out of the Globex, but I'm going to be looking to try to long on the pullbacks, right? Into the channel support, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. The next level of support we have would be somewhere down in that 715, just in case we end up pulling back. That's at 30 points from the key supports. Let's see if we actually get a bit of a pullback here. Oh shoot, we got a bounce already. So let me just take the profit off the table.
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm gonna place my limit orders down in that zone, and I'm gonna have a hard stop right underneath the 700 area, 710, give or take. 5 days to pass and take profit Twitter. That's right, Jessica. Build safe alive. Yeah, trade day and take profit Twitter, they're all the same. They've got 5 days you got to pass, and then you have yeah, I mean, you don't have consistency rule on the funded stage, and you don't have to trade for a certain number of days to get to a payout. So that's good. Tell you what though, if you're fairly new to trading, I mean, I would probably, if it's me, I'll probably end up going with accounts with consistency, just to kind of macro manage your discipline. All right, guys, welcome everybody. Welcome, guys. Mr. Youngjin in the house. How's it going? How's it going, everybody? Which profs don't you think is a certain days to request payout? Take profit trader. And then who else again? You got Tradify also. If you go with the select plan and go like once you pass, you're gonna have an option to pick between the two. Go with the daily payouts, and you don't have to wait for a few days to get to a payout. Once you're above the buffer, that is. And then you also have trade day. I don't think there's that many who allows daily payouts, but there's a handful, and I think on top of my mind, I think it's Tradify, Take Profit Trader, and Trade Day. Oh yeah, my funded futures. I don't trade my funded futures, so it doesn't really matter. No, Tradify is no deal. Tradify is end of day. Tradify is end of day, and for trade day, you have an option to pick between the end of day and trading drawdown account. And then for Take Profit Trader, it's trading drawdown as soon as you get to the funded stage. But Take Profit Trader obviously is the most affordable. All right, guys, the market is trying to get some kind of a bounce. Let's see. I'm gonna try my level best to trade my Tradify accounts the most coming into tonight, guys. I've got listed and I've got Take Profit Trader, but we'll leave that on the sideline for today. Especially the Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna take a little break. I've been don't you like the people who don't use PROPFIRMs or whatever to be in your live? I have no idea what you're talking about. I love everybody. Do we get a bounce here? Should I try to go a little more aggressively here? It looks like we are going to pop. Man, that's what a nasty towards the end of the day, guys. Did everybody bank on that dumpage that we got towards the end of the day? Oh my god, it was rough. All right, let's see if we get a bounce here. 750. Looks bouncy. Oh, look at that, guys. I mean, I think we got to be careful. I'm gonna have to have a hard stop here today. No brainer. I've got to have a hard stop just in case. I'm really annoyed with this price action that we had today. It's like crazy, guys. I mean, it's honestly, it's wow. That's incredible. Just incredible. That's all I can say, man. That's all I can say. At least, you know, I had something great that happened today. That's the daily payout. Nothing beats you know, the payouts. It doesn't have to be daily payouts, but I mean, nothing beats the payouts. And as long as we can get daily payouts, well, not daily payout, I keep saying daily payouts, but as long as we can get payouts every few days, no matter how much amount that may be, and that's it's a good thing. What is going on, brother? And Jinka. What is going on? Saba, Jess, Big Belly, Justin Wright, Benjamin in the house. What is up, everybody? Welcome. What is up? What is up, K-Dog? Hyungmin in the house. Alex Helen. Anyways, Tiger, I'd like to be one of your views and keep watching. Yeah, please. Please, bro. Soba, let's make some money. Yeah, oh man, I don't know. Trump today. I don't know. Trump, thank you so much. You were great today. You know, I mean, you could have said that at the end. I mean, you could have said that a little bit later when the market's closed. I mean, did you really have to do that? Like, you know, as we were kind of closing the day. You know, I mean, it's something smells so bad right now. It's just not even funny anymore. A lot of manipulation. But you know what? At the end of the day, maybe one of you guys, or including myself, maybe we are struggling on certain accounts. But I'm pretty sure if I'm struggling, somebody's making money too, right? So I hope a lot of you guys actually did really well today. Really. From the bottom of my heart. Trump keeps playing and keeps reacting. Yeah, so yeah, it is not easy. I'll be honest. Yeah, it's not easy, but you know, we gotta somehow be able to manage, right? At the end of the day, I mean, if I had a hard stop there, then obviously even if the market ended up dumping 6 million points, I should have been okay, right? It's my fault I didn't have a stop there. So what can I say, right? We'll try to make some good trades here. I don't know what Globex is gonna bring to the table, but I kind of feel like, you know, the Globex may be more volatile than yesterday. I have a good feeling that I think this market is gonna get a little more volatile. So with that in mind, I've got to really try to make sure that I'm not in more than, I would say, 10 micro contracts at most. So really got to be careful with the way I size my position, because I don't want to get in trouble. Who knows what DT is going to come out. I kind of feel like it's going to come out in about 7 minutes and go, the ceasefire is not extended. Let's go. Perfect play in the house. What is going on, brother? John, what up, man? Zero cool. If we drop 6 million points, no one's going to be okay. Yeah. I misspelled it. Not 6 million. 600 points. But I do recall somebody saying in the White House that there will not be extension of the ceasefire. And I can clearly remember somebody mentioned that. And yet, we come here today, and that too towards the end of the day, saying the ceasefire is extended. So I don't know. Well, well, thanks for making fun of me. The piano song is really pleasant to listen. Maybe we'll change the music, guys. How about that? Sorry guys, man. I've been talking all day. People from my office calling me, and been chatting on the stream. Wow, it's not easy to be live streaming for 3 straight sessions in a row. Ooh, it's not easy. But love to see you guys back again. Let's try to have some fun coming here into tonight, everybody. So are we going to try to get a bounce here, guys? I'm going to try to add some more right here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so I've got 8 contracts. I'm gonna move my stop to 746 and see how this thing plays out, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading, and thank you and welcome. Oh my god, try to wait. Glitching. Can't see my orders. There we go, my limit orders. All right, we are trying to get a little bit of a break to the upside. Hello, Alex Hallen, Mr. Ahmed FXA. What is going on? Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Samuel Price, look at that S&P. The numbers are what they were when they started this whole thing. Yeah, the market is up a lot, substantially up right now. I'm definitely fighting for, obviously, more and more payouts as we are getting closer and closer into the second half of the month. And we only have how many more days to go, guys? Let's take a look and see. Today is 21st, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 more days to go for the market to close. Oh, sorry, not market, I could say market, but for the month to be closed. So 7 more days. That's a complete trading week before the month is closed. So we got a lot of time. And I could probably... I could... 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 4... No, 2, 4... 15, 15, 3,000... 6,000... 7... 7,000... So today I'm going to be requesting what again? Let's take a look at my take profit trader. 6,228 is my total profit on that pro account. Minus the buffer 45, that's 1,700. Minus 20%, 1,382. So 1,382, 1,382. So I will be at 23,000. So in order to get to 30,000 for the month, I'm gonna have to need $7,000 more, and the 7,000 is something that I'm kind of thinking maybe would be through, you know, maybe a small portion through the pro account for that daily payout, and then of course my lucid accounts. Yeah, listed accounts, I probably should be fine to have another 7 grand worth of payout from Lucid. Yeah, Lucid is just absolutely killing this month. Thank you so much, Lucid. So we'll see how it plays out, and then yeah, if I can go with daily payouts every single day between now through the end of the month, that's easily 5 grand off the pro account that I got. So we have a chance. We have a chance to make something very meaningful as far as the payout is concerned. So we'll see, guys. That's why we never give up. Oh, you did the work, not listen. Hey, K-Doc, bro. Thank you. And we all are fighting, trying to see if we can make more payouts every single day. So today is another day, guys. Globex, the market seems to be better. Looks like we are kind of moving, not moving as much, but I mean still. You know what? We actually did move. We actually, well, no, we only moved 15 points so far, so yeah, nothing there. I am holding on to this trade, guys. I've got 7 contracts here right now, and I plan to add scale into my trade. We'll see. Just be careful with any news that may come out, and that could potentially wreck your accounts. You see, we don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, this literally just came as a big surprise to me because I was up a lot. And you know what my entry was? I'll tell you what, guys. My entry was right here. My entry was right here. I thought I had a beautiful entry there. Was it here? Yeah. I think it was here. Yeah. My entry was right here. And I was up a lot. And I kept holding. I said, I think we're gonna get a squeeze towards the end of the day. And I come back like 20 minutes later. And then the market's down here. And I'm like, where did my account go? It's no longer with us. Incredible. Really annoying. And the blink of an eye, the market ends up getting a bounce. I'm like, what? I got pissed. I went with my last pro account, and I ended up banking on that fat boy. On that long, of course. But yeah, that was a nasty market, guys. I didn't have a stop. I mean, if I had a stop, then I would have not. My accounts would have not been blown. But you know, tough, guys, tough. $7.52. Yeah, what a chop here, guys. I probably think we should be a little patient. I'm just gonna wait, let it play out. In the meantime, let's take a look at the chat. You got a lot of move down. Turn off the screen. Who are you talking about? Gag 906. Alex, you think we need to close the gap at 722? I mean, not necessarily it has to happen today. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we end up pulling back, though, right? I think we are definitely trying to accumulate more liquidity, right? At the end of the day, we are in the Globex, you know. So we could end up pulling back just to grab more liquidity. It almost kind of feels like we have a bit of a, I would say, bit of a head and shoulders, bullish head and shoulders. sorry, inverse head and shoulders. That's what I kind of feel like maybe happening right here. We could get a nice little push to the upside as well. That could potentially give us a move, something like that. You know, we have a nice little inverse here. We got this. We got right, so we have neckline. We also have the left shoulders, and we could be in for a right shoulder here. I mean, not necessarily a clean head and shoulders, but this is what it may try to do. I'm gonna try to move my stop here down into the 727, and actually, you know what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna just leave it there. Yeah, so I kind of feel like we are heading higher with this couple things. First of all, the trending is to the upside. You know, it's trending right now. Even though we had this big pull and a big pump, I still think this is trending to the upside, right? So I'm just going to have to redraw this again. Just going to get rid of this, guys. 1 second. Right, so I still think this is trending. We got a nice little trend line here. It almost kind of feels like this is what it's trying to do. We also have right, I think. And then we obviously we snapped through this 798 a few times. We also got a nice little bounce off that area, 600 area too this morning. And then we got a bounce off this level too, and that's the EMA. And 700 area is that level that we have our attention. And I think anything below, like, you know, 680 is where I think this is no longer going to be bullish. But I kind of like this idea of a bounce. Maybe we get a little pullback here into the 730s, and then we end up getting a bounce. Maybe into the 720s as well. Who knows, right? Maybe a little bit of a deeper pullback, maybe. And we end up getting a bounce back here. So I'm going to be looking, ultimately, my target would be the 860s. Maybe I'm being too optimistic here, but this is the level I'm going to be watching here today. Actually, you know what? I lied. It's at 840. 840. Yeah, so I'm going to be looking for that to give us a bit of a balance. I would prefer for a small little pullback here down to 730s, 720s before we end up getting a bounce in this market, guys. And yeah, we'll see how this thing plays out. This is still very slow right now, so this thing obviously has to, you know, it's going to take a bit of time, I guess, right? Accumulation, I would say. What is going on, everybody? Welcome. Fear Greed Degens Trader, Big Bell in the house, Killer 89 in the house. Oh, you're going short. Alex, you and I are head and shoulders makers. It's trending down. We can make that happen. Organic video. All right, guys, welcome. It was a lot of up and downs this morning, so it could have been a better day. But yeah, made a few mistakes. And towards the end of the day, we also had a big dumpage. So that kind of cost me my pro counts, unfortunately. We're back to 747. We are getting a bit of a pullback. Let's see what sort of a hold on 1 second. Yeah, I'm kind of leaning more to the upside here. I'm kind of leaning more for an upside. So maybe we try to do this. Right, this is what I'm going to be looking for. So it's just really a matter of how much of a pullback we're going to get here. Are we going to try to get back into the bottom end of the trend line? That will be 730. And we end up getting a bounce, or I do have a bit of a stop here at 690, but that's just yeah, it's just a dummy stop. Just put it on there just to kind of remind myself to make sure I get out of my trade just in case we end up pulling back. Oh yeah. Let's see if we end up getting a bounce right here, guys. Let's see. I am still holding this. Let's see if we have what it takes, guys. We just need a bit of a volume to get this thing going. $7.55. Justin Wright, you haven't seen me trade Apex accounts. I did trade. I just don't trade as much right now. I still have 13 accounts with them. I'm just waiting for my my payouts. It's been a while since I actually got my approval. Sorry, my I'm still waiting. I sent an email to them waiting for my payout approval. So I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's under review since April 7th. That's a long time. Ugh, I don't know what it is. That's my legacy account. And so yeah, this legacy account I've been waiting for a long time now, and I should be technically requesting another payout on that same account. It's still pending for payout approvals, so it's kind of weird. I wonder what it is. Let me. Send another email. All right, well, we ended up getting a bit of a pullback here. I'm just gonna hold this and see what happens right now. All right, so far we haven't moved at all. It's like 5 points. Incredible. All right, pretty dead so far. Now I'm just trying to take a look and see if we got any news that's coming out. Well, it's not a break news anymore. The ceasefire extension. Oh, I want to take a look and see how much of my my swing trading account. Let me see how much it's up so far for today. All right, the market trying to get a bit of a bounce, guys, which is great. Oh, the swing trading account is up $1,300. Yeah. It's up $1,300. I haven't done anything on that one. It's crazy. Crazy stuff. The CrowdStrike, I bought at $360 just a couple of weeks ago, and it's up into the $450. Crazy, guys, crazy. All right, anyways, just coming back to this market, I am kind of leaning more to the upside, guys, and just trying to hold this. We'll see how it plays out. Just giving itself, I'm just trying to give some time to let it play out. All the Beyond Meat. Chris, I think yesterday was a trap. I would be surprised if we went. Oh, you think we're gonna get to 27,000 tomorrow? Really? 27,000, guys. I mean, that's honestly, it's not far off. It's just 300 points. We're only about 300 points away. Actually, you know what? I lied. It's not even 300 points. It's only 250 points away from hitting 27,000. Obviously, that is going to become a big psychological level. I mean, I can't believe that we are going to be hitting 27,000. That's incredible. And also the trade yesterday into this morning. I was trading I don't know, Avius. I was trading car. What's that again? Car stock, right? It's Avis. Oh my god, it's what? It's $740 now? You've got to be kidding, guys. I bought at 574, sold it at 577 and 608. Show it to you guys once again. I'll show it to you on Discord. And that was just yesterday. There. I bought at 574, man. I bought 10 shares, and I don't know, 577. I sold at 608, and I said, okay, well, I think 608 is probably the overstretch. I don't think it's gonna go any beyond that. And then right now it's sitting at 744. I'm like, what the hell? 744, incredible. 744 Avis, guys. It's a car rental company. Is it? Yeah, it's a rental company, I think. Yeah. Car rental company. I barely rent any cars from Avis. Usually it's budget or Sixt. Wow, man, that's incredible. Well, why would a car rental company go up so much? I mean, I understand it's a short squeeze and all that, but I mean, even then, it's acting like a penny stock right now, guys. A $500 stock, and that was already so high up there, and it's like sitting at $740 right now. Like, incredible. All right, anyways, guys, back into this market, 750. We're kind of sitting here. The market's pretty dead. I think the market is closed, guys. Have a nice day. Oh, the market is open right now. Okay. AI potential. I mean, I don't know, man. Like, is that going to really change the world? You know what I mean? From a rental perspective? I don't know. It's hard. It's crazy. What has AI got to do with the rental? How's it going to change? It's like AI. I don't know. No idea. Pretty messed up. Theodore, $12.98, $2,800 worth of calls, bought at $200 strike. Oh man, at close today would have been a profit of 492. Yeah, for sure. For June expiry, exactly, man. That's crazy. I mean, even Uber, the same thing. I think Uber was at about $20 long time ago. Well, not really a long time ago, but $20, and then next thing you know, Uber actually shoot it up to, well, now right now it's 77, but I think it was way more than that quite a while ago. Yeah, I mean, it was up into, oh, not really. Uber was at $98. Crazy stuff, guys. All right, the market's pretty choppy here, pretty dead, so I'm just gonna have to kind of wait. I do think the market will start to move in about 20 minutes, by the way, so hopefully we get some tradable opportunity. StockTiger, curious which city do you live in? Where do you live? We're in Alberta. Rental cars are acting like Ubers. Yeah, MES is flattening. Then the door trader, just D08, thought was too small from what I understand. And they also use the options to buy shares without owning them. Oh, really? So manipulation maybe again. Waymo. Hafiz, for you, long or short. I am long right now with 7 contracts. I'm looking for a little bit of a pump. We may get a little bit of a dip. That's fine. As long as we kind of try to hold this 720 area, I'll be okay with it. I should have bought a lot of crowd stock. You know, it's kind of like I was acting too cheap with the crowd strike. I bought at 350. Incredible. Anything you buy, guys, right now, it's just moving higher. Incredible. Incredible, guys. I mean, yeah, anything you buy, it's like going up. You buy anything at $20, it's up like $40, $50 in a few days. Like, what the hell is going on right now, guys? What the hell? I remember telling my dad to buy Apple at $20. That was how many years ago, guys? I mean, that was like, I think 18 years ago. 18 years ago? Not really. I think it wasn't like that. No, I think it was maybe 15 years ago. I told him we gotta buy tons and tons of Apple. It was like $20 or something like that. And Tesla was even cheaper, right? It's like, no, I gotta pay for my golf membership. All right, okay. Yeah, I'm turning 18 in about a few weeks. That's right, guys. Thank you for remembering that. And the market so far is 752, guys. I think the market will start to move. Let's just try to give this market some more time to shine. 50 more minutes for the new hour, and then of course about an hour to go for Tokyo as well. Man, pretty slow. Joshua Gua 1326, first time sub here. Thank you for being here, bro. Thank you for being here. Anybody here new? How long have you been trading? I've been trading for about 13 years and about 2 years in the PROPFIRM space, and I'm trying to get better every day. Wow, it's pretty dead, hey? Pretty dead. No, guys, no. Hey, guys, I want to be clear. I'm just joking about 18, 17. I'm not 18, guys. I'm pretty close to 50 now. Jeez. Do you guys actually believe that? You guys gotta be kidding. What the hell? What are you talking about? Fear, greed, DJN? You don't believe I'm 18? You don't look like I'm 18? What the hell, guys? Come on. Be nice. Oh yeah, no, I'm over. Yeah, of course, yeah. I'm getting pretty close to 50 now. I'm getting pretty close to 50. Oh, Teddy the trader, you didn't believe me? Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to 50 now. Really hate it, but what can you do, right? What skincare do you use? What the? Just a regular skincare, bro. What are you talking about, Brian Vault? You look great for 50. Oh, well, hey, if you agree, man, thank you so much, bro. You are so kind. We're... 50s, how many surgeries? None. No surgeries at all. None. 0. I would say Tiger is 37. Hey Lin, are you Korean? Good genes? Well, I don't know about that. I don't know about good genes, but hey. Thank you guys. Thank you. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can tell you right now, Alberta is probably the worst place to be, like to really take care of your skin. It's like the worst place, man. For sure, 100%. The city here, we are so elevated, right? Above them, what do you call this? What do you call this? Let me just, how to explain that? Above sea level, right? We're at, how many, so we're about so we're about 800 meters above sea level. You know, your skin just simply cannot get better, right? Definitely at the wrong place. There's no moisture, it's very dry, and we're above the sea level by 800 meters. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, there's one thing that I do is I use a lot of moisture, like, you know, the moisture spray in your face, like pss, 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 right? I do a lot of that, but I mean, I don't know how much it helps, but I try. I'm 20% Mongolian. 5,000 years ago. Do you know how many funded my Funny Futures Pro accounts? Honestly, bro, I have no idea. I don't trade my Funny Futures at all. No, I'm not Chinese. Nope. All right, so looks like we are getting a bit of a pullback, but you know, I think we probably, I don't know. I'm leaning more to the upside, so. It's crazy. Are you North Korean? Well, I am East Korean. All right, am I gonna add some more? I honestly don't think I want to be doing that. I'll probably just hold it. I've got 7 contracts. You will just kind of hold and see what happens right now. I do like well, what's the plan? Oh, guys, by the way, man, take profit Twitter today, daily payout $1,400, guys. I mean, as much as I hate myself for nuking 2 pro accounts today, I am pretty satisfied and grateful that we are getting some payout today. $1,400, and yesterday we got $3,000 of payout from Lucid, and today $1,400 on a daily payout with Take Profit Twitter. And this could be just the beginning of a much bigger daily payouts to come in the next few days. So love it, guys. It all thanks to you guys. Thanks for all your support, guys. All the cheering, saying you can do this, you can do this. Never give up. All right, so so far it looks like we are going to the south. Pulling back here a little bit, but I am not going to panic and get out of my trade. Go, oh my god, we are pulling back. It's just merely a 5 point. It's just 8 points pullback here, so not gonna get overly too concerned about this pullback here. Let's see. I would actually end up trying to add some more on a pullback here into the 720s, guys. I've got 7 contracts right now. What are you trading right now? Are you new here? Thanks for being here. Thank you so much, brother. I am trading NQ. Sorry, I'm trading MNQ. So micro NQ, that's what I'm trading right now. And I'm down quite a lot, $141. And trying to see if I can actually get it back again. Do you have a day job besides trading? I'm a part-time trader. And I'm one of the partners on our business that we have here. So I love trading, absolutely, sir. I love trading. It's part of my DNA, of course. We all love trading, guys. Come on. We all love trading, right? Not all the time, but most of the time. Some people call it an addict, but I don't agree to that. I don't think so. We just love it, you know. We're just passionate day traders, you know. We just love trading. You know, we wanna, we want to make a lot of good trades. We want to get a lot of payouts, right? I mean, that's what it's all about, you know. Imagine we love what we do. You know, we love trading, and on top of that, getting more payouts. It's like, you know, it's a great thing. I don't think it's an addict. Some do call it like an addict, but I'm not. I don't think. I completely disagree to that statement. Oh, you have a business? Where, Brad 5974? Where do you live, in the States, or do you actually live here in Canada? Oh, Canada, my home and Texing land. Oh, you're in Saskatchewan. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I wouldn't say I almost nuked the XFA accounts. The funny thing is, when I nuked that 2 pro accounts, I was like, let me just nuke some more, and I went to my XFA. I tried to get into a trade, and guess what? It wouldn't allow me to enter my trade. I'm like, what the hell is going on right now? What the hell? And I realized the Top Step, obviously they closed like 10 minutes after the market closed, right? So, and I got kind of lucky because if I ended up trading that account would have been gone too. And then I changed my mind. Yeah, I'm grateful. Yeah, sometimes it works out nicely, right? You know, DLLs, it's a beautiful thing sometimes because the DLLs really ends up saving your account. That's great. And then, and what else? And then, you know, like listed accounts, you're only allowed to trade up until what time again? 4:45, and then they shut it off. And that's a great thing because if you get traded, you're gonna end up blowing your account. That almost happened to me with the XFA accounts. Luckily, they closed at 2:10 or 2:08, or I don't know exactly what time it is, but yeah, probably a few minutes after the market closed, right? That's for Top Step. So grateful, guys. What's the difference in your words between Take Profit Twitter and Top Step? I'm not sure what you talked about. I don't even know. Should you Take Profit Twitter only been with Top Step so far? You've only been trading Top Step so far. I mean, honestly, I'm not going to tell you which other firm you gotta be trading, to be honest, or TS, but at least from my experience, sticking to just one firm, I think that's a big problem, in my opinion. I mean, everything may be okay right now, but what if something happens to, you know, I'm not saying that's what it's gonna be, but you know, if you start to get some bad experience trading that firm, the one and only firm that you trade with, then it's gonna take you a long time to adjust and get familiarized to other firms, right? So it's kind of, I feel like it's kind of very important to kind of have some backups, right? That you already know how to trade with those firms. Now, you know, today, like, I don't really care what happens to firm A, B, C, because I got so many firms that I know how to trade with. Top Step, poo poo, K Dog. Top Step's alright. I mean, it's just yeah, I mean, they've got some issues they've got to deal with, but I mean, I think it's alright. I stopped trading Top Step for about 2 months, and I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna come back, but I'm gonna go slow with them. You know what I mean? So you guys know I've been taking a lot of payouts with Top Step. Not recently because I haven't been trading with them, but at least for, let's say, the last 8 months, Top Step was my top 3 as far as the payout is concerned, and it was great, right? And I did really well with the swing trading accounts with Top Step too. But I kind of stopped in the last few months because we had too many stuff going on the social media and all that, right? So I said, you know, I want to stay away from that. But I kind of realized, you know, it's always nice to have, you know, a couple accounts with Top Step. Not a bad thing, just as a back burner, right? Just to keep me going, right? I also want to make sure that I keep trading with Project X because I don't want to forget about being able to trade the Project X, right? So that's the one. Sorry, Top Step X, that is, because we no longer have Project X, right? So fell down the stairs. I mean, are they actually making the same amount of let's say revenues, you think, TS, or do you think they're actually down a lot? Live show is good. I think the best one is probably Tradify and Take Profit Trade, in my opinion. What about payout difference between firms? The daily payout option sounds pretty good. Well, it depends. I mean, like I said again, I've been saying this all the time, but I mean, if you have a nice little combination of both, then it's nice to have daily payout accounts. But if somebody tells you daily payout is the greatest thing, I kind of disagree, because you're gonna go very aggressive in a lot of cases, going with daily payout accounts. So I think first thing is to have accounts that you're kind of forced to trade about 5 days to, I don't know, whichever days that you have to trade to get payouts, right? That's the first thing first. And then I think as a backup, it's nice to have daily payout accounts, so you can kind of like, I'm not saying that's the YOLO accounts, but I mean, at least you can take a stab, right? Just like how I did today. Even though I nuked 2 pro account, I ended up getting a daily payout today for $1,400, right? So that's a great thing. That pays for all the expenses too, right? So, but only if you have accounts that are not daily payout accounts. If you have a good portion of those, then I think it's good to have daily payout accounts as a backup. Daily payout accounts, you can trade them smaller as well. But I mean, daily payout accounts, you can trade smaller as well. But I mean, who does that, right? I've never, honestly, I don't know, man. Lately, I've never tried to go very slow or very conservatively with daily payout accounts. I don't know why, but I don't know. For some reason, I had to go really aggressively with daily payout accounts. I don't know if you guys agree or not, but all right, so here we go, guys. 747. We got a nice little bounce off that 735, so that's a great thing. Let's see if we can actually hold this now, and maybe if they should take us back into the 770s. Yeah, thank you everybody once again for being here. And if you guys don't mind, please take a few seconds. If you don't mind, smack the like. If you guys don't mind, take a few seconds of your time to do that. Really appreciate it, guys. Definitely support the channel. Arigato gozaimasu, everybody. Thank you so mucho. Gracias. Lots of language in that sentence that I just did. Incredible. Toasters rules are simple. Trade like robots. Don't make money too fast. And pray the comments don't move the goalpost. Oh my god, you guys are funny. Alright, so far the market's pretty dead. Pretty boring. But it does seem like the market wants to move now, so we'll see. We had a decent sized move. The initial break to the downside about 14 points. We're back up again about 12 points. So let's see if we hold this area and we finally try to break out of this and then take us back into the 780. Zero Cool X100 trade day. Yeah, trade day and Tradify for daily payouts. They all have buffers, so you gotta get above the buffer to request the payout, of course. But if you can actually get above the buffer on the day one, then you are eligible to request the payout, right? As soon as you get above the buffer. So if you think you can, get above the buffer on a single day, on your first day, freshen your account, then you are able to request the payout at the end of that first day. But of course, assuming that you're above the buffer, that is, right? Santoshi, what is going on? Keep eyes on oil. Let's take a look. $90. Well, the crude oil is kind of chopping here, right? The crude oil is a little confused. The crude oil is definitely a little confused. They are basically two systems, either buffer or benchmark days. Some firms requires both. That's right. Elusive Flex and nice accounts. I think, yeah, Brad. I think Lucid definitely has one of the better accounts, and they're affordable too. I think they're priced very competitively, so I kind of like them a lot. I do, yeah, I do. Can you take profit the buffer, only the profits above? Yeah, you know, every firm with daily payouts, you gotta get above the buffer. Every firm, there's no firm that does not, you know, it doesn't allow you to take the buffer, right? So you gotta be above the buffer. Usually it's about $2,100 for 50K accounts anyways, so there's a war, bulls and bears win, super volatile, yeah, but it really depends on the oil move. Yeah, so far the oil isn't doing anything at the moment. It's kind of in that chop zone, right? So wow, really dead so far. Incredible. All was crazy a few hours ago. It was. I mean, not only crude oil, guys. I mean, the NQ was even more crazier. Look, this is what happened to NQ today. Towards the end of the day, of course. I mean, it's really wild. I hate it sometimes. Honestly, I hate the way NQ moved towards the end of the day, and it was just news driven, really. It was really annoying, I'll be honest. That took my two pro accounts, guys. I mean, it's incredible how... Incredible, everybody. Really freaking annoying. How does 20% consistency work for Lucid Direct? I don't know. I mean, you just got to make sure that you're within that 20% on every profit that you make in a single day. So let's see, if you make $2,000 on the first day, you're kind of expected to make between $1,500 to $2,500 on a given day, right? To stay within that 20%. Unicorn Star 720. It's so hard to make money in the war times. Why are you having a tough time, bro? Oh, you did? Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. If you're making lots, that's fine. That's good, man. A little hammer. Alex Helen. Alex Helen, are you speaking English or are you speaking something else? Because I have no idea what you're talking about on the chat, if you don't mind. Or you could just keep watching my beautiful face if you want, but I mean... Santoshi, because all the trend that was made for 10 hours ago, man, honestly, I got so mad on that price pullback, guys. And that's a 250 points pullback in 10 minutes. And I mean, coincidentally, I don't know why. Did it really have to be that moment when I actually entered long? Incredible. Alex Helen, you're speaking shit Korean English. Okay, then just you can just close your mouth and just listen to what I say. Spencer, Meg Dogs, we're in a big choppy range. Yeah, that's right. We're in a big fat chop range. Well, not even a chop. Is the market actually closed right now? Incredible. Yeah, have a great day, Alex Helen. Luckily, you're trading with 1 MQ all day one. Otherwise, you sure. Yeah, I know exactly, Rami Rama. Hey, dog, brave day, everybody. Welcome, guys. Good to see y'all back here. You always take profit trader pro accounts, but other pro accounts made $2,000. Hey, that's exactly what I did today. That's exactly what I did today, Yermania. That's what happened to me today. I ended up making. I ended up losing 2 pro accounts. Thank you to the big dumpage that we got, and then I ended up making, you know, a little over $4,000. You know, that kind of got me to a daily payout today. So I will be requesting a payout today. That's $1,700, and of course, net would be 14 after the commission. Gregory Allen, Christopher, Unicorn, you're in the UK. Nice. United Kingdom. A beautiful city, but I think it's very expensive and too much tax, like Canada. I think that's what it is. Yeah, Unicorn Star, man. Tell me about it. Holy mochaccino. Today's PA was tough. Lost 1 pro and got 1K on daily payouts. Yeah, Bowser, man. Exactly. I mean, you know what? I think we all kind of share a similar sort of a situation here today. I mean, a lot of us, it almost kind of sounds like a lot of us had a lot of pro accounts, by the way, to start. And, you know, we lost a few pro accounts, but we ended up making a daily payout, which was, well, the best case scenario would be to have all your pro accounts kind of protected and at the same time getting a daily payout. That would have been nice, but you know, when you have 250 points move in a 7 to 10 minutes, one to the downside and then next thing to the upside, it's hard to survive. It's hard to survive, you know. It's a tough one, but you know what? I think a lot of us, including myself, we lost a few, but we also ended up making some nice little daily payouts, and you know, I'm grateful, very content. Oh, Unicorn Star, your girl. Holy mochaccino, look at that, hey? Oh, how you doing? Almost no problem. Loves that. What do you mean? Let me just take a look and see. I haven't read the chat. Oh, do you go? Okay, hedging? Yeah, you're not allowed to hedge. Yeah, no hedging in a PROPFIRM space. No hejima. You are a girl. Yo, yo, yo. We've gone absolutely nowhere. No. I mean, we're having a beautiful volatility here, guys. Look at this market. We're having a beautiful 3 points move. Amazing. Something's moving. You know, honestly, this is way better than, you know, this volatility that we got today and end up blowing our pro accounts. I would rather just see this move and not lose accounts. Oh my god. What did you do before you were trading? Pulverizer? I thought you were a bot. Apparently you're not. You are human. What did you do before trading? I was just working, you know. I was just working 8 to 5. And I was actually working long hours. I was working for one of the biggest Korean companies. I wouldn't be able to disclose the name, but yeah, I was working for one of the biggest Korean company before. Yeah, something like that. Daily day trades. But it was like, I don't know, 18 years ago. I was working to like, man, this you should hear my stories. Working in a Korean companies. I used to work like 3 in the morning. It's pretty crazy. Working till like 3 in the morning. Did you enjoy working there? Yeah, I mean, it was stressful, but I think it was a lot of fun, you know, like socializing with a lot of great people, smart people, great people, and yeah, and you learn a lot. You learn a lot. You learn about life. You learn about hard working. Yeah, you learn a lot of skills too, so market is no bueno. Yeah, exactly, no bueno, guys. And we are getting a bit of a pullback. Wow, man, that's a scary pullback there. 7 points pullback, scary. Ooh, the market is scaring me, guys. Never ending sideways price action right now. No, JJ, no. That was a long time ago. I don't work anymore. I wonder what this market's gonna do, guys. I'm kind of getting a little disappointed with this price action here. It's not even moving here. Yeah, so Trump can actually change. I mean, wow, man, and it's tough watching this price action here at the moment, guys. 748. It's just really incredible. Yeah, we got 30 more minutes for Tokyo, but I wonder what this market's going to do. Maybe Tokyo's gonna celebrate in front of that ceasefire extension from Trump, or is Tokyo gonna sell? I think we could see some volatility kind of step in as when we get to Tokyo. I mean, what a dump and what a pump, guys, towards wow, it's I mean, seriously, this is just really incredible, guys. I mean, so something there. Yeah, I'm gonna be requesting a payout here today with Take Profit Twitter. Honestly, man, I mean, that was the only thing that went worked out today. Also, listed accounts looking super duper right now, so I can't wait to trade listed accounts tomorrow. It's going to be amazing. You know, it's always nice to have sort of a winning firms that's getting you a lot of payouts, and it's kind of like a cycle, right? So in the month of March, it was Take Profit Trader, my leader, as far as the payout goes. A lot of daily payouts in the month of March at Take Profit Trader, and that helped me to get to 33,000 for the month of March. And so far in the month of April, I'm at about 23,000, so we got $7,000 more to go to finish the month over 30k. So back to back 2 months in a row over 30,000. I think that's gonna do it. Yeah, very grateful, guys, very grateful. When you compare my last year Q1 to this year, I'm definitely way up, so very grateful. I think I should be over 105, maybe 105,000, maybe over 105,000 by the time we end this month. So for the first 4 months of the year, I may be at 105,000, and then about 28,000 spent. So 28,000 spent and 105,000 payouts for the first 4 months of the year. Extremely grateful. Extremely grateful. Meko, 30k you made with only trading with micros? Of course not, 100%. Micro is a very small portion of my my payouts. Yeah, it's a very small portion. I would say it's about 20-30%. I would say overall, coming from the micro trading. I would say still 60%, at least bare minimum 60% would be through mini contracts. Yeah. It used to be a lot more, don't get me wrong. Like last year, it probably was about 35, I would say. 35% coming from 35 to 40% coming from micro. Sorry, not last year. I think it was what a year before. Oh yeah. Have you ever got to live accounts with any of the PROPFIRM? I'm not. I'm not able to go live, right? So yes, there is four firms that I was supposed to go live, and we couldn't do it. And one of them ended up banning, and the rest of the one of the firm obviously ended up closing, and two of the other firms allowed me to trade on sim funded. So I bet when you lose accounts, you're in the mini contracts. Absolutely, Bowser, 100%. Well, not really, but I would say pretty close. I can also lose account if I'm full porting with micro contracts. You guys see me. I sometimes port with micro contracts, fully loaded micro contracts. No, we just can't go live in AB. Unfortunately, Kyle can. I wish we did, but am I gonna change the way I trade this year? I don't think so. I mean, I don't think so, to be honest. I think I know exactly what I'm trying to do, and so far it's been working out. So unless something really breaks and I'm having a tough time to not just get payouts, but if I feel really uncomfortable, you know, overall in a trading journey, then that's maybe the time I'm gonna have to make some adjustments. But until we get to that point, which I don't think it's going to, I think so far I'm kind of satisfied with everything what's going on right now. And yeah, just we'll just keep grinding every day. You know, we'll try to make some tweaks. You know, adjust a little bit. You know, yeah. And just keep going. Just keep going. Yeah, sometimes. String Sen Karen. Sometimes, yeah. Wow, man, this has been like the dirtiest price action I've ever seen in a while, guys. In a while. Incredible. Oh my god. I try my level best to trade and stream at the same time in the morning sometimes. I try my level best because I kind of feel like it's very important. You know, you want to see your, you want to see me how I trade. In a lot of case, you know, New York is probably the time to, you know, you gotta see the way the person trades in the morning, right? Because that's when the market moves, right? So and that's why, even though I find it very difficult to be live in the morning, every time when I can, I go live, right? Because I want to trade in the morning, and I want to be able to trade live in front of my fellow traders. I mean, a lot of times it's up here, right? I mean, today was a good example. I don't know if you guys were there this morning. We only had a obviously we have a smaller viewers in the morning, but it could have been a lot worse in a sense. I was kind of a little mad, and things could have gone out of control in the morning. But somehow we found a way to control, manage our risk, and get back to where it's supposed to be. And then yeah, so if I wasn't able to control myself this morning, I would have literally lost everything that I had, because I was absolutely mad. I was mad because Marco was irritating me so bad. It was like very annoying market today. Not that any other days are different. They're all the same. They're all very annoying. It's been like that for the last couple of weeks, by the way. But I think today was one of those hotter days, if you will. I think the wisest decision right now is full port on Tokyo. Well, I don't know about that. Well, this is kind of full porting right now, even though I only have 7 micro contracts. I am still in a trade, and we only have, well, we still have about 30 minutes to go for Tokyo, right? So we'll kind of be a little patient. It almost kind of feels like we're holding this area pretty nicely here, so I ain't gonna panic just yet. So we'll let this thing play out and see what happens. Well, the 7 contracts, so we end up pulling back here deeper down into the 720 area. I am gonna be able to still hold, so how much do you pull in affiliates? I see smaller YouTubers doing the insane amount. How much you pull in? My payout is substantially more than my affiliates, just put it that way. Yeah, I do have a lot of room for improvements, but Zero Cool, this morning you had a close call on one of the trades. I'm not sure, I can't remember, bro. I mean, we made so many trades, I just can't recall what it was. I make so many trades all the time. I'm like, I can't remember which one. Which one? Yeah, 60 micro, 50 micros. Oh my god, guys, this price action so far is just giving me a lot of motion sickness. Let's see if we have any payouts, guys. Anybody? Bowser, whoa. Oh, that's a pro account. Oh, $1,300. Whoa, Bowser, look at that, eh? Incredible. Pool E taking $1,400. Wow. Another one from my Fund the Futures too. This is what again? YRM. Wow, $1,500. Incredible, guys. Let's take a look at the P&L here for a second. Wow, Grace. Whoa. I mean, I hear Grace say she's struggling, but that's a lot of great trades right there. It's not easy to make a lot of good trades like that. A few copy trading as well. I kind of feel good stuff. Grace, good job. That's scalper going slow but banking a lot. Harambe killing here as well. Look at that. Harambe, wow, $2,000. Lots of copy trading here, Harambe. All right, just coming back to the trading here for a second. All right, we got Tokyo. Wow, we're back to green now again. Oh, we are back to green, guys. Am I gonna add? I could, but I wanna wait. Yeah, Super B guy, Globex in London session, no bueno, no pasa nada, pretty slow. Casinova, Vic Rocky in the house, getting green. Yo, what time is Trump speaking? Well, we gotta have. Guys, I can't believe that now, including myself, we all are kind of waiting for Trump to come out and speak and say something to move the market. I mean, how sad is that, guys? We need a headline to move this Globex market. It's just incredible. All right, Trump. All right, I'm gonna give Trump a call. Yeah, I'm trying to call Trump right now. Oh my god. Yeah, his phone's busy. Oh wait, let me try to call Vance. Well, he's in Pakistan. Are yaar, kidhar hai bhai? Kidhar hai yaar? मैं तुम बोलो ना किधर है भाई? All right. Trump is talking today. Well, I don't know if he's going to. Honestly, doesn't really matter, guys. Maybe it does matter. But I mean, you know what? I want him to give us a bit of a notice. Let me know. Like 5 minutes before you're gonna say something, give us you know, let us know that you are going to, you know, say something on Twit, or you're gonna be coming on the news. Let us know, please. Going forward, whatever you did in the past, the damage is already done. I've lost accounts thanks to you. It's okay though. It's okay, all right? Going forward, the Discord link is not working. One second, guys. One second. I'm gonna share that right now. Bounce, baby, bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah, bounce. Sorry, guys, I'm still coughing a little bit. My apologies, everybody. All right, guys, I'm gonna take one off just in case. We're getting closer and closer to Tokyo, and you know, Tokyo can do a lot of funny stuff.
Order filled.
Oh man, as soon as I take my profits off the table, it's moving. I may be the market mover, guys. I may be the market mover. Every time I either add or I take off, the market moves. I don't know if you guys noticed that right now, guys. I took 2 off the table, and as soon as I did that, the market ended up pumping like crazy. Like never before. All right, let's just stick it to the moon here, guys. I want to see a retest of the 780 right now. Not bad, guys. Moving nicely here. $445 is like a pre-market. What do you mean? $445 is like a pre-market Asian move. Or I guess the market's moving right now, which is great. All right, nice little bounce, guys. I'd like to see a retest of this 785. We are back into the trend line. We got a nice little bounce off that support, EMA support at 740, guys, and we're getting a nice little pump to the upside. That's taking us higher. Kind of like what I see so far. It's kind of playing out the way we thought it's going to, which is great. And I'm going to be looking for 785 to be my target. Take one off. We'll see if we can actually continue getting a bit of a bounce, guys. We got 12 more minutes for Tokyo. And everybody, if you guys are trading here today, good luck. And if you guys already did trade, and if you guys banged, congratulations to everybody. Thank you guys once again for being here. Because people are buying back stocks because a closing window. Yeah, they milk Tokyo money. Well, time to dump. Today is crazy. It swings up and downs. Trump, whatever Trump is going to plan to do before official media announcements, he always posts in his Truth Social post. That's right, Santoshi. You are absolutely right. He does that. What are the odds of a massive dip in your crude oil today? I'm not sure. More money. Who knows what this market's going to do? I'm not here to predict what it's going to be. Honestly, it's been kind of very annoying just predicting the market, and then all of a sudden the market does something else because of headlines. You know what I mean? It's like maybe we're kind of better off just not make things any more complicated than it already is. Incredible that how like somebody can just come out and just change everything. You know what I mean? It's just incredible. And we are getting a bit of a bounce here. 770, guys. Target will be the 785. Let's see if we can actually get it. I'm in a trade. Bitcoin jumped? Really? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here.
The market is open.
The Bitcoin. Well, the Bitcoin's at, wow, the Bitcoin's at 76,000 right now. So we'll see. Wow, what a bounce, guys. All right, so what I'm going to try to do here is I may try to do a quick scalp here on the other account if I can. I don't know if it's kind of a little too late, but we'll give it a shot right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This may be a little late to the party, but let's see if we can actually quickly scalp this bad boy and see if we can actually take this thing a bit higher. Yes, I'm chasing. Yes, I'm looking for the momentum push. Let's see if we get it. It does look like we are getting a bit of momentum here. I know that Tokyo is kind of in front of us. We got 8 more minutes for Tokyo, so that could change the tide. But I want to see if we can actually get just a little more push to the upside. Hopefully.
Order filled.
I'm maxed out right now. I'm absolutely maxed. It looks like it's gonna dump now because StockTiger went long. Now, see how much drawdown I have. I've got $1,600 drawdown, so. The profit and loss can be seen on the configure chart elements. There, it's got, well, no, I lied. The chart setting, right? The chart setting, and you go to the price level and show P&L on your price line. Well, this is the only thing that I know. If you ask me any other question, I wouldn't be able to answer. But go to your chart setting, and then you go to your price levels, and you see that show P&L on price line. That's what you're gonna have to click. All right, so here we are. Are we going to end up dumping, or do we end up getting a bounce? I wish I went a little smaller size, but I wonder how it's gonna be. Am I concerned? Well, not really. I'm not really too concerned. It's okay. Well, it would have been better if I kind of went smaller size, but I kind of like the way it was moving. So we'll hold it. We'll see what happens here. Let's see if we get another push to the upside. Are we gonna dump? Oh my dear. Maybe. So you got 4 more minutes for Tokyo. So let's see what Tokyo's gonna do, guys. I mean, is Tokyo gonna just sell, or actually we're gonna get a bit of a pop and sell off? We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna have annoying. What can I say? I know, hey. Break even as a rejection. Yeah, I mean, it happens all the time. Yeah. Is that a coincidence, though? Interesting, hey? All right. A bad entry. I get it. I was looking for that momentum push. Let's see if we actually get it right here. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. The one that made me very upset today is really the Trump coming out and saying the talks are canceled, and then few minutes later the ceasefire is extended. Like, what the hell are we trying to do here? You know what I mean? I don't understand. The trip is canceled, the market dumps, and the ceasefire extended, and the market pumps. It's crazy. That's what really you know, really upsetting. But you know, I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody is very upset with the way it kind of moved today. But just saying, who's gonna pay for our pro accounts? Who? Are we gonna get reimbursed? We gotta claim it to DT. You know, I can definitely, I don't know, with at least cautiously with confidence say, you know, a lot of people are becoming rich with a lot of stuff that's going on in the chart, the way it's kind of moving up and down, and some are getting bankrupt as well. So, you know. I know it's J3. We have not even tested 7,000. You're right. I have no idea. Everybody. Forget about 7,000. Not even 71, I think. I don't think it's even pulled back in 71, by the way. All right, we got Tokyo, man. I'm gonna. This account's gonna blow now. Is that what it is? Oh my God, guys! Oh!
Order filled.
Out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh!
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, once again. What is going on here? Hold on one second, guys.
Order filled.
Okay. Holy, I thought I oh. What the hell is this? Oh, Oh, here you go. This is, oh man. Hold on one second. Damn it. Guys, I'm gonna see this.
Order filled.
What are you doing, StockTiger? Please stop. Oh my God,
Order
what
filled.
are you doing? I got mixed up with the accounts, the chart. I'm like, where the hell is my account? Incredible Sappuccino. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I kind of got mixed up.
Order filled.
Well, that would have been a nice little pop there. Honky dory, I got a bounce. Sir, can we get some kind of a pullback, please? No, son. No more pullback until we get to 12,000 on SPY. of course, I am frustrated equally as much as you guys are. Of course, guys. Of course, I can't believe this market, everybody. Look, SPY sitting at 704. Actually, you know what? We did end up getting a bit of a pullback on SPY. There was not a substantial pullback, but I mean, even then, we were high up into the 712. We're down into 704. Oh, by the way, I've got to take a look and see what Netflix is doing. I am so grateful and thankful that Netflix is down into 92, guys. I don't know if you guys remember what I said about Netflix. I am willing to take a stab on Netflix. I'd love to see Netflix down into the 80s, guys, low 80s. I already said it's a bonus. If we end up pulling back into 60s, that's gonna be like a bonus. That's gonna be like a bonus. That's what I said. Incredible, guys, incredible. So yeah, I'm gonna try to scale into the Netflix. Not trading, of course. It's just a swing trading account. But I'm willing to take a stab in Netflix as we try to get a pullback into the mid 80s. I would love to see this thing pull back here into the 80s, guys. And of course, like I said again, if it pulls back into the 60s, it's like a bonus. StockTiger will be full porting, absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir. All in, let's go. Oh yeah, it will be cost average because I'm already in. 2 shares of Netflix. I'm already in at $70. Wow, StockTiger, you're the greatest investor ever. Oh, by the way, I completely forgot about Tesla. Let's take a look at the Tesla, guys. I want to see what the Tesla is doing right now. Tesla down into 386. We got Tesla earnings tomorrow, guys. Tesla earnings tomorrow. Guys, Tesla earning tomorrow. Holy mochaccino. Oh, what's the leverage on Netflix?
Order filled.
So Tesla, I wonder what Tesla's going to do tomorrow, guys. It's going to get pretty interesting, of course. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. Oh, that's going to be after the market close, right? Tomorrow. So yeah, make a note, guys. Tesla tomorrow, April 22nd. Earnings come out. NFXL. Okay. VRT. Holy mochaccino. Well, this is even worse. Wow. And this earnings come out tomorrow as well. Are we gonna get an explosive move to the upside tomorrow? It does look like that for now. Almost kind of feels like the car, guys. Woo! Car! Look at that, guys. It was, guys, man, just 2 weeks ago, it was at $80. How the hell is this possible? Like, how? How? How is this possible? This is almost kind of like GMC. Sorry, not GMC, GME, right? GME and AMC and all that, right? This is just incredible. That's pretty substantial bounce. Yeah, that's 700%. That's a 700% in less than 2 weeks, guys. Fellow traders, I think we should have, you know, full ported this bad boy. Only if I knew that this car is gonna do something like that. Maybe I should have been a super duper optimistic investor with cars a long time ago. And then I would have been, I don't know. Maybe maybe we could have bought a private jet with this. Anyways, oh well, kind of sucks, but yeah, I think it's just a short squeeze. But I mean, even if it's a short squeeze, though, I mean, that's a lot. That's 700% short squeeze. Oh, that's 108% investor in institutional ownership. Really? All right, guys, we are getting a bit of a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so I've got 15 contracts now. And I'm gonna have a hard stop here. 776 my hard stop. And I'm gonna be looking for, oh shit. It looks like this is just gonna keep going. Gonna move my stop here just in case. All right, so I'm gonna have a tight stop here just in case, guys. Here I think 780 area.
Order filled.
Oh. All right, guys, it's going. It's going. All right, let's get like an Avis car short squeeze move. Can we do that, NQ? You see, you know, I mean, I'm talking about this sort of a move. Let's do it. I think you can, MNQ. I definitely do believe in you, right? Just like the way Avis budget group moved. Let's try to do that here today. Let's do it. Yeah, we're just looking for a casual 600% move. I mean, you could. I have absolute confidence in you. Let's just pump it right now.
Order filled.
I want to get this over with. I need to get to 5 daily paid accounts with 35 accounts.
Order filled.
Oh man.
Order filled.
You've got to be kidding, yo. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Please. Wow, nice looking bullish candle here, guys. It seems like it's going to get a squeeze. Like I said again, just like, you know, just like cars, this is all you're going to have to look at, right? A very casual 700%. Let's just do it. MNQ. 700%. Let's go. You know, we're getting pretty close to that, I think. And with a combination of DT tweet maybe tonight? Ooh, baby, it is definitely doable. Let's go. Come on, one more squeeze the hell out of this bad boy right now. Let's go, please. I want to pass this bad boy right now. Let's pump it. I think we still have a bit of a chance to get to, I would say, at least 830. Sorry to have this little bit of a box here. I kind of feel like maybe we're kind of trying to get back into this zone. So, I mean, ideally, I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback, but I don't know. Maybe we get one last pop here and we end up pulling back maybe. That's why I got my limit orders, because I don't want to get kind of faked with the wick. You know what I mean? So I want my TPs to get filled before we get a wick. Okay, so we did get a bit of a pullback here. I suspect this is going to be a bit of a sweep only.
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled.
All right, let's see if we fill these. It is time to get a bit volatile here, guys. So, can my orders not get filled? I mean, I think it's possible. A bit of a bull flag, or it's just going to be a pullback into the 780s. That's going to be a problem if we end up pulling back here. I still prefer to see a bit of a bounce off this 798-ish area. So let's see. I've got 21 contracts in this trade right now, so once again, everybody, thank you to all of you for being here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Wow, guys.
Order filled.
Let's go. Come on, hit it.
Order filled.
Let's go, please. Please.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so I think that's it. Looks like a nice little bull run. A nice little trade, in my opinion, was really good. Oh, at least that way I don't really have to pay attention to Tradify accounts tomorrow. This is great. Having a bit of a head start, so that's good. What is going on? Richard Dowdy in the house, man. What up, bro? How's it going? Yeah, I saw your text on the main chat. Faisal Beres Basiri. Slice Fox in the house. What is going on? Kuri 2S. Holy Mochino, this keeps going. Chris Pye. Hal Lin, Super BD-Do. Nat Sir, TK in the house. What is going on? Mark Coco. Chris. Salim. El Omari. Kefahale Shabab. Team Trades. Glad to see you hit wins. Well, yeah. I lost 2 pro account today. I should be crying and bitching about somebody for, no, this morning was stressful. Yeah, it was, man. It was a tough morning, and it's kind of was no different towards the end of the day. That was a 250 points dump in about 7 minutes, man. That's incredible. I really have to have a little conversation with DT, really, to find out what he has in his mind for doing such a thing. I want my accounts back. I want to make sure we all getting reimbursed for our accounts, lost accounts, doing the surprise move. Really annoying, guys. Oh, by the way, did Take Profit Trader update their dashboard? Maybe, yes. I want to find out right now, guys. I'll let you know. Are you going to reset the pro? I don't reset pro accounts ever. No, I don't do that. If I blow pro accounts, I go straight to evals again. I don't reset pros. I don't do that, I mean, everybody's different. I mean, for me though, it's it is very costly to do that. And on top of that, there's no there's no guarantee that you know what I mean? There's no guarantee. Like, how can you guarantee yourself you're gonna get payouts with that reset? I don't know. All right, here goes my payout again. $1,700, guys. That's net $1,400, right? Because they take their share, 20%. So that's off the table. So it's $1,400 from Take Profit Trader. That's daily payout today. I love it, guys. I love it. We had a bit of a rough session this morning, and somehow being able to get to a daily payout today. You know what? What can you ask for more, honestly? And Bowser knows that very well. Look at Bowser Trader taking $1,300 of payout tonight. It doesn't get any better than that, I know, some of us, including myself, we had a tough morning, and we lost a couple accounts. That really counts, but it's okay. With that one single account that I have, maybe I could be taking daily payouts for the next 7 days. Who knows what it's gonna be? And I've got $4,500 of drawdown on that account. So, is it? I think it's possible. I've done it. I've done it. Last month, I took one account. I went. I kept going for about 9 days. Right? For 9 days, I kept going daily payouts every day. And now it's not even like few $100s. That was like $700 up to like $2,000. That's how Take Profit Trader contributed to you know, being the biggest payout firm for StockTiger last month. So grateful. So we'll see if we can actually make that happen tonight. Not tonight, I mean this month. We got 7 more days. Full 7 more trading days, guys. I think it's very much possible. Let's take a look and see. I think Bowser's saying something right now. Or somewhere else. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Oh, shoot. Look at that Bowser's. Yeah. Look at that. Very steady. Few $100s. And then $1,300 with a big bang. That gives you the daily payouts. Amazing. Good stuff, Bowser. Honestly. Amazing. Nice. Finally got your target. Ninja of Sadness. Whoa. Rocky Mountains. Right there. On the chart itself. Let's go. Oh shit, hold on one second, guys. I didn't realize I'm... are you talking about this, Gregory Allen? I'll take it off right now.
Order filled.
Down to...
Order filled. Order filled.
I've got 3 contracts now, so I'm just gonna hold it right there. I'm not sure, should I hold this? I want to take it off and move on to something else. Alright, I'm gonna exit
Order
that
filled.
trade. Just gonna move on to something else now. Alright, so you know, I still think we have some more room to the upside. But before we start to do that, maybe we get a bit of a pullback. And I'm looking for a bit of a pullback right down here. And that takes us back into 840. So maybe we try to do that here. We'll look for that. I'm gonna try to scale into my trade again. And then my stop's going to be, I would say, pretty much, my stop somewhere down into 780s would be the one. So just in case we end up pulling back here into the 780s, I will exit my trade. And then see what happens, guys. The support here, I think, as long as we kind of try to hold the 790, I think we should be fine. We are getting pretty close to the resistance, the minor little resistance that we have here at 816. That's where we tapped, and we ended up getting a bit of a pullback here. I think we try to test the high. I think that's what it's trying to do right now. I mean, not saying that's what's going to be tonight, but potentially into the London, I guess. We'll see. This could be a very important one. See, we have a trend line, topping end of the trend line. We got a rejection off that level, right? So... this is definitely getting very interesting, and let's take a look at crude oil here for a second. Crude oil is getting a pullback. Well, you know what? Honestly, I don't know if I want to call this a pullback. Just a dollar pullback. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Does that really change anything? I mean, it doesn't really change the sentiment on the overall crude oil, right? Unless we're getting this sort of a pullback, then it kind of makes sense. This kind of a pullback, yeah, okay, yo, that's a different conversation. But just a minor little pullback, just to get to the support area, I don't know. Trading is not easy, of course. Of course it's not easy. I never said trading is easy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. So we got a rejection of that pivot, and that was at about 816 area. So we're getting a bit of a pullback. I still think, you know, we end up pulling back, but it's going to be a viable opportunity in my opinion. So the only catch is how deep of a pullback are we actually going to get right now. What is up with all those refineries catching fire? I'm not sure, bro. Tiger, do you keep track of spent and how much you're spent? Do you keep track of spent? What do you mean, Gregory Allen? Not sure what you mean. Oh, you mean the accounts spent? Yes, I do. Yeah, of course. So I spent about 28,000 for the first 4 months of this year, from January into April, right? So about 28,000, give or take. And right now we're sitting at about 98,000 payouts. And then how are we gonna close the month? Probably add another 7 grand maybe for a payout, and that will probably come from through Take Profit Trader, maybe a small portion through Take Profit Trader, and majority would be through Lucid. So in the meantime, I'm waiting for Apex to approve my payouts, which is taking longer for some reason. So we have a good chance of much bigger payouts with Apex, but I've got to get approval first to start with and see how it goes. How long does it take for Take Profit Trader to process your daily payouts? So I did request a payout just now. I think probably in the next few hours it gets approved and it hits your wallet, and then of course, then you know, obviously you're gonna have to decide how you want to move your funds to your bank account through PayPal or through Wise or through direct deposit, right? So if you're in the States, then of course direct deposit. If you're international, then you can use different methods. I have two legacy accounts with Apex right now. All right, let me just open up my Quant. I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so are we going to get... This looks... Is this a V-shaped bounce? Maybe. Looks like a bit of a V-shaped bounce here right now. I want to full port this bad boy right now, to be honest. I want to full port this bad boy. Ooh, full port. Let's go, StockTiger. Stopped out at the break even. Let's go. And GT trades, I mean, everybody has all the firms are now like 5 payouts per account. So at least we are lucky to have 6 payouts limit per account. A lot of the firms now are 5 payouts max, not just per each account, across all your accounts. If you get to 5 payouts in total, then you end up moving to live, which is obviously not a bad thing, but just depends, right? So let's say if you had 30,000 on one single account and you got to your 5th or 6th payout, that money is just gone, right? Because it's no longer valid. Go ahead and long. Van Strip canceled. That's old news. Van Strip is not. I don't think it's canceled. It's just it's just on hold. And then Trump just said the ceasefire is extended, right? No? Or maybe? I don't know. I mean, for here, right? So I've got 64,000, and this is my legacy account, 64,000. So if you 64,000 minus 50k, that's 14,000 on this account. I've had this since I think, I don't know, been over I think 2 months, and I got another one here. That's 59,000, right? So 2 accounts, one is 64 and one is 59,000. So apparently $9,000 on one account and 14,000 on the other. I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't know why it takes so long to get those things approved. We'll see. Ceasefire extended, waiting for Iran's response. Oh my dear. Now, what is it gonna be? Iran's, of course. Maybe somebody insider went long, or maybe try to short the market. So it's gonna be like, okay, well, ceasefire. We never agreed to the extension of the ceasefire, and then the market dumps 1,000 points. Somebody covers their short position, of course. And then the market ends up getting a bounce again, and then somebody obviously will come out and say ceasefire was extension was not agreed, but we agree now. Ooh, baby. StockTiger, did you say you lost all your profits after 6 payout? Nope. I'm just waiting for my payout approval. Should I try to well, I mean, not port, but I mean, we're kind of struggling to get above right now because we're right at the pivot. So I do kind of expect to see a bit of a pullback here down. 780 area, I think it's not a bad idea to pull back here into. So we'll see. 780, I'm looking for 780 pullback. No, this is not Forex. ABD, Samad. This is not a Forex. This is trading futures NQ right now. Oh, sorry, Canaldo Ross. Yes, I think that's. It depends on the firm. Like some firms are gonna move your profits to escrow, so it is part of the live account, but I mean they're gonna hold it as escrow account, so they're gonna see how you are compliant on the live account and then move the portion of the escrow to your live account, you know what I mean? Some are gonna do that. Some are just gonna wipe out all your profits and just kind of move on and say, okay, you only have $2,000. That's gonna be your starting balance, and your profits that you made on your sim funded, it's no longer there anymore. You know what I mean? A lot of the guys would do that. My funded futures is one, and funding ticks as well. Funding ticks was like $1,500. That's what they would do. They're no longer there right now, but I mean that's what they did. So you gotta check with which firm you're trading and how much of profits you have. Just you gotta do the math. Yeah. They're probably hoping you blow the accounts. it's yeah. All right, so far we're depends on what firm. Canaldo, just make sure to check their live account program. Because I'm hearing Iran is rejecting ceasefire extension, and there's a coup in Iran right now. There's just so many fake news out there. I just don't know what is true and what is not. It's just really incredible. Oh, and by the way, guys, please take a few seconds if you guys don't mind. Smack the like if you guys don't mind. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing that. Really appreciate it, guys. Truly means the world. Thank you so much. All right, so 8-12 year. Am I gonna be live tonight? Don't think so. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be live tonight for sure. We are chopping here in the range 8-10. Is this going to be a start of a much bigger pullback? Ah, man, honestly, I just purely based on technicals, I'm not seeing that, but who knows, right? I mean, we are getting some news come out saying there's a coup in Iran right now. It's just like incredible. If there's a coup, then none of this ceasefire is gonna matter because there's an internal battle between the forces, right? And so it's gonna be chaos in Iran. So who is Van's gonna talk to, right? So it's gonna be a bigger problem. Yeah, it's gonna be a bigger problem. I don't know why I was patting my mic. Yeah, this mic is gonna go pretty soon, yeah. I don't think there's any issues with Top Step. I was in Top Step. Welcome to the White House. So yeah, I mean, how's everybody doing so far today? Is everybody making lots of profits? Oh wow, how slow this market can be. Let me see if I've got my approval. It's not yet. It's gonna get there. And I ain't gonna love it. Yeah, somebody asked me they're looking for some cheap accounts. I mean, I'm gonna load in some E8s too. The only thing that, yeah, the only thing is the E8, they just one account, some 40%, and then all of a sudden it's like high again. So, I mean, I don't know why they do that. I'm gonna have to check how much that is. So if you're looking for just one account, probably the cheapest one right now is the E8. And E8 is a pretty good firm. E8 is definitely a pretty good firm. They definitely do have a beautiful looking dashboard, 100%. Yeah, I think the first account is going to be $75 on a 50K account, and then you also get one eval free along with that. Excuse me. Yeah, I mean, obviously I wish I never blew that pro accounts, but it's okay. I mean, we got our daily payouts. You guys know how great those, you know, whatever you you know, the daily payout that you get, you know how much that's really helpful, right? You lost your pro account, but then you end up getting $1,700 tonight. I mean, that's, you know, what can you ask for more? That definitely do make your day for sure. What firms are daily payouts? We got Tradify daily payouts, you got Trade Day daily payouts, and also you have Take Profit Trader daily payouts. I've been saying this over and over again, but yeah, the Tradify and the Trade Days are end of day. Well, the Tradify, you have an option to pick trailing or end of day. The Take Profit Trader, you don't have an option. When you get to the funded stage, it's trailing. The Tradify is end of day and trading both. Sorry, it's end of day. You don't have an option for trading. It's just end of day. The price of the accounts, obviously, the Take Profit Trader is cheaper because it's trailing. I think it's $120 for trade day. So I would say the Tradify account is cheaper. It's right now, if you buy 5 Tradify 50K account, you're only paying about $105 maybe or $107 per account, because you get an extra 5% off if you load in 5 accounts with them, right? So I think it's the cheapest one so far, and it's end of day, and they definitely do have a great program. So, but again, I mean, does it really have to be in daily payout accounts? Not really. If you're a newer trader, obviously I don't recommend daily payouts. You know, and if you only have handful of accounts, let's say you only have few accounts, 2 or 3 accounts, and you try to use daily payout accounts as your main piece, and then I think that's a bit of a problem in my opinion. Do you think it's a good time to trading oil, silver, gold? I mean, unicorn star. I mean, you're definitely asking the wrong person. The last thing I'm going to be trading is crude oil, gold, and silver. That's really the last thing.
Order filled.
I don't think I need anything more than trading NQ and micro NQ, honestly speaking. Oh, right, that's right. Yeah, my funded futures also have a rapid account. I have no idea how that works. I don't trade my funded futures, so.
Order filled.
That's right. Guys, we are getting a bit of a pullback, and is this in response to the news we're getting from Iran, or what is it? Or this could just merely be a decade pullback, you know, kind of a minor pullback just to you know, accumulate more liquidity here in this support area at 780. We talked about how 780 would be an area of support, so minor pullback with no news. That's right. Yeah, they blew me up. Oh, that's right. My funded futures network also have 50% off. Buy one get one free. You know what? I should be loading in funded futures network, man. I'm just too many stuff going on. Too many stuff going on. And I didn't trade my master account, Bilanox 2. Incredible mochaccino. Mac, what platform did you say? 75? I don't remember. Oh, I meant E8. So E8 has a sort of a similar like funded futures network. So you get one account for free and $75 on the first account that you purchase. Yeah, of course, it's my pleasure, guys. I mean, you look a little tired. Yeah, just a little bit, you know. Not easy to stream like 3 sessions in a row. I did one last night Globex, and I did late night, and also did this morning as well. And this morning I did for 4 hours straight. And anybody who was there this morning, I thank you guys so much for being there with me. I was kind of lonely in the morning. Yeah. No, E8 is not a platform. E8 is a prop firm, and you're gonna be trading on. Oh yes, I did trade E8 before. Yes, I did trade few accounts with E8 before. So Iran disagree with the meeting, and then Trump extended the ceasefire. Is that positive? I don't understand. I don't know if that's positive. You know what I mean? Just not sure. Is that a positive news? To see the market just rip like 250 points. Market does not care. Yes, the market does not care, anyone. The market does not care. That's right. Well, Trump extended because Iran needs more time. Then IRGC rejected the extension. Well, the IRGC rejected the extension, and then the market rips 2 points during Globex. Nice. The session could not get worse than this. Come on, Jay. Have some respect for Globex. Have some respect, bro. You're making fun of Globex now. Stake money. If bomb starts dropping again, market drops, but unless that, to the moon. I guess you're right, yeah. Somewhat. Partially right. The market does start to care when oil pumps, then the market will start caring. Alright, so guys, I think the market is celebrating the ceasefire extension. Getting a little bit of a pop. A beautiful 2 points bounce, guys. Guys, man, we gotta show some respect for Globex, you know? I mean, come on, guys. We can't do that. You know, I have never seen so many Koreans in Korea trading futures. You know, not just futures, but trading trading equities, U.S. equities. It's just really incredible. And if they're making profits, they're making profits in U.S. dollars, right? And of course, when they try to bring it back to the Korean currency, they're up 40% extra over and above it used to be. See how weak the Korean currency is right now. It's devalued by like 40%. So if you're making profits on your equities in US dollar, you have an incremental profits, right? Over and above. Iran will just take this as another win and will make fun of America. Santoshi, we'll see how it goes. I mean, we still, you know, we're not really in the early stages of this war by any means, but we only had meeting once. So let's try to give some time, you know, see how it goes. I mean, everybody's looking for peace. Middle East, everybody. There's no one country in Middle East is not looking for peace. They all want a deal. Imagine, even Pakistan wants a deal. Afghanistan wants a deal. Mike! Mike, I'm sorry, man. Mike, please work. Mike? Oh, Mike is working now? Okay, we are back again. I don't know where we ended, but it's okay. Oh no, I haven't bought the new mic just yet. I will though. That was the mic, right? The Rode Pod mic, cardioid dynamic broadcast microphone. Oh man, recommended use for karaoke, singing, video conference. I like that. Whoa! Let's go. Come on, man. Pump it. I think we have a bit of a situation here. Ceasefire cancellation. The market's pumping. Great stuff. I love it. All right. The more cancellation, guys. We are pumping. Let's go. What's that line on the left side? I have no idea, bro. Which line are you talking about? I do know that we're getting a nice little pump here, so... What? Was it only 10 points you're gonna bounce? That almost kind of felt like a 500 points bounce, guys. I was definitely celebrating that move. Left chart, that's the 50 minutes chart on the left hand side. Oh, that line, that's the left hand, that's the another chart on the left hand side. I need to have like a larger time frame, so I can kind of look side by side. Yeah, it's a 50 minutes chart on the left hand side, bro. Don't worry about it. We are micro scalpers. Get in and out with 60 micros. In and out in a few seconds. Let's go. Woo, baby. Guys, I'm really tempted to actually really get long here, a little more aggressively here right now, guys. I'm so tempted. I'm gonna add some more.
Order
Let's
filled.
go.
Order filled.
25
Order filled.
contracts, StockTiger. Woo, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna have to build the biggest spider web ever. Oh my dear, we got Shanghai now. I didn't realize you got Shanghai, man. I completely forgot about that, guys. Now we're gonna end up dumping, right? Because I didn't realize it was Shanghai. Shanghai celebrating this move. I'm in trouble now, guys. I didn't know it's Shanghai. Oh well. All right, so it's okay. We'll try to see if we can retest the high here at 820 area. Yeah, I'm looking for a quick snap here to the upside.
Order
Let's see if we
filled.
get it, guys. I got a whole bunch of limit orders
Order
kind of
filled.
placed. So,
Order
oh
filled.
man, look at that, guys. Okay. I don't know if Shanghai's gonna take us to 900 though. That's too far off. I mean, that's too optimistic. I understand the market kind of forgot about pulling back. I get it, but 900 tonight? Ooh, I don't know. Shoot, guys, we are getting a bit of a pullback here. I may be in trouble on this bad boy. What if we end up pulling back like crazy? A real dumpster. I've got 16 contracts here. I'm willing to take like bulk of the profits off the table, you know, on that little pop if I can. So let's see. Santoshi, super BD guy. Shanghai take us to 900. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See, everybody bullish. Now, see what the market's doing. It's pulling back here down. I could add, but I don't want to do that right now because it's too risky. So if I try to full port right now, this is gonna look pretty bad, right? So if you end up pulling back here down into say 770s, this account's no longer be able to survive, right? So I just want to make sure. Want to kind of make sure I'm able to survive just in case we end up getting a bit of a deeper pullback. So I think 60 micro is just about right. I've got into a lot of trouble before just trying to add, especially during the Globex, right? So just want to kind of make sure be a little more careful. All right, so we are getting a bit of a bounce, guys. Getting back into the 800 area was definitely a very important thing, and so far it's not bad. Definitely a little more promising here, guys. At least maybe we try to retest the high, maybe into the 818. It looks, well, yeah, I mean, we could try to retest. I mean, I'm just gonna zoom out here for a second, but this could be possible. Triple top here, right? It is possible that we try to pop and we end up pulling back. It is very much possible, right? So with that in mind, whatever the case may be, I think it is very realistic to see a bit of a bounce back into 815, and that's what I'm kind of looking at right now. So if we end up pulling back here into say 790, so here if we end up pulling back into the 790 here, I'm gonna be looking for maybe add a scale in, right? So I may add some more to try to average down to maybe 800 area. So if we end up getting a bit of a bounce, then I can kind of like try to scale out of my trade. And so I'm gonna watch this. So far we're getting a rejection, getting a bit of a pullback here down. Yeah, just merely what, 10 points, 15 points, guys. I mean, not the end of the world. Way better than 250 points pullback towards the end of the day. I was like, man, you've got to be kidding. Too much cappuccino. Caps mocha. How's everybody doing so far, guys? Did everybody have a dinner yet? Well, it's kind of 9 o'clock Eastern time. I know a bulk of you guys are on Eastern time zone, but I'm assuming everybody already had a dinner. I'm gonna have once my stream is over. Just finished feeding the boys. Nice, Richard Dowdy, yo, bro. How's your accounts doing, Richard Dowdy? Are you coming back on later tonight, MVP, Mickey? Honestly, I would love to, but I wouldn't have the energy to come back a little bit later, and I've got to get to work tomorrow in the morning too, so it's gonna be tough. Man, we just couldn't get above this, hey? It's all gone, Richard Dowdy. Oh man, was that because of this this headlines that we got today? Oh, end of last week, playing the last one. Damn, yeah. I mean, it really kind of sucks. It's tough, not easy. Come on, man. Can I just get a bit of a balance so I can just walk away? Holy mochaccino. Oh man, is that a pullback we're getting? We haven't got a payout since January. Dustin Price 88.97. You haven't got a payout since January. What firms do you trade with? There was a candle one day at 1 o'clock that dropped like 100 points when I was $200 from passing listed 50k pro account. Yeah. Mad, you just not take the profits when it was edging to your TP. I know. Yeah, that happens a lot of times. Lucid just keep blowing stuff. Oh, yeah. Guys, it looks like, are we gonna dump right now? Is that what it is?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so if we end up pulling back here, I'm just gonna exit my trade. Not interested in holding this any longer than it really need to be. So let's see if we get a bit of a pop here, so I can actually try to get out of my trade. Oh, guys, maybe we are getting what we need. Are we gonna get what we need, guys? Are we? Is is that what it's gonna try to do? I'm gonna place a bunch of orders right up into that 800 area, guys. This is gonna be the biggest spider web ever. All right, that's it. See what happens now, guys. I mean, this is gonna be big. Let's see what happens right here. It's yeah, Santoshi, that makes sense. I mean, start small, grow big, but you know, who does not like that idea? But everybody wants to be big right away, including myself. I want my daily payouts today. Oh shit, guys, we are dumping. Are you kidding me right here? Man, I'm telling you, this better get a bounce. Should I just try to exit this trade right now? Just not feeling comfortable. Just feel like dumpy here. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Dumpy. Dumpy. I mean, I think we all know what to do. It's just that, you know, just sounds easy, but it's really not. Oh shit, guys, he's stumping like crazy. What the hell? Hold on 1 second, guys. We're dumping here.
Order filled.
All right, I think I'm just gonna exit this trade. Just not feeling very comfortable holding this right now, to be honest. Or maybe I should just. This could be a bit of a double top here. I don't know. It's tough. It's a tough call, guys. I mean, I don't want to exit right now and it ends up getting a bounce. And at the same time, I don't want this thing to flush right here, because this is a big fat level too, right? So
Order filled.
what am I gonna do? It looks dumpy. Looks dumpy. I'm gonna try to get out
Order
of.
filled.
I'm gonna try
Order
to
filled.
see if I can get out the bulk position off, so I can maybe try to survive this pullback. So, holy macarella, look at that.
Order filled.
Try to take some off the table here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
One to seven. All right, I think that's it. I'm just gonna let this thing play out. I've only got 17, so I suspect that we may try to get a bounce.
Order filled.
So we'll leave that trade. We'll let it play out into maybe, I don't know, tonight, right before I get to the cozy dreamland. So I'm just gonna let this play out. Everybody, I thank you so much for staying with me through the Globex Tokyo, Shanghai,
Order filled.
and now maybe Thailand. Who knows what it's gonna be? But anyways, thank you so much, everybody, for hopping in. I had a lot of fun. I hope the rest of you guys have a great night. God bless everybody, you and your family. We'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex session. I wouldn't be live tonight, unfortunately, And I wouldn't be live tomorrow morning as well. So we'll see you guys back during the Globex at 5:30, guys. Thank you so much once again. Love you guys so much. We'll see you guys back. Until then, have a great rest of the night. Thank you, and good night, and take care. Peace.
Order filled.
Bye-bye, guys.